Making their pitch next is Fadzaruddin Shah and Vivi Yusof, who aim to bring Asia's fashion retail website to your doors with fashionvalet.net.
Hi, I'm Fadza, the founder of fashionvalet.net. We've started Fashion Valet since November 2010. We've started from just 10 designers, and now just almost a year and a half since we launched, we have already 80 designers, and most of them are from Malaysia, but we've also expanded into Indonesia, Thailand, and Singapore. So in the 1.5 years that we've been running, we managed to gather ourselves, a few thousand users, more than 20,000 Facebook followers, almost 5,000 Twitter followers. So we've built ourselves quite a good marketing rep in the social media area. But when we sell our products, we really sell the local designers, because that's what we go for. We want to really push the local designers, and we want to show the world what our local designers can do.
Will fashionvalet.net be able to tailor its ideas to win the judges' approvals? Hello and welcome back to Make the Pitch, brought to you by MyEG and Easy by RHB, where aspiring businessmen and women cast the best ideas that money can buy. Now, our final contestants for the day are Vivi Yusof and Fadzaruddin Anwar, who aim to link homegrown fashion designers with the mass market through their online shopping portal called fashionvalet.net. Let's see if they can tailor-make their idea to best sell it to our judges. Fadzaruddin Shah and Vivi Yusof aim to highlight our homegrown designers with the mass market in their online shopping website fashionvalet.net. Let's find out if the judges think their idea is chic enough to bring profitable returns.
Well, now we're just about to go in and see the judges. I'm feeling quite confident because we've been in this business for a year now, so we sort of know everything we need to know, and we've tried to prepare for all the possible questions, and yeah, I think we're quietly confident.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure they asked about numbers and our expansion plans, so we've got that covered, hopefully.
Well, I think the business itself is a very attractive proposition, and we have a very good team behind us. So the potential is definitely there, and we also have the track record to show the judges. So I'm hoping they will be attracted and they can really see what we have in store for them. My name is Fadzaruddin Anwar, and this is Vivi Sofinas. We're both the founders of fashionvalet.net. We're an online retailer. We carry over 80 brands and have over 10,000 products available on our website as we speak. So what sets us apart from other online retailers is the fact that we're focused on selling only local designer products. And we have more than 80 designer products available online, and this has never been done before until we launched in November 2010. We attract more than 90,000 visits to the website a month, and of it, 70% is unique visitors. So that just shows how much people love shopping on our website. So we have, what really makes it unique is the customer experience. We have a huge focus on customer service. We have an extremely short turnaround time for our emails. We reply them within 10 minutes, and our delivery time of any product purchased on the website is a maximum of 2 days. We're able to deliver products within that short amount of time is because everything you see on the website is actually stocked in our warehouse. So therefore, we get to control a lot of the quality when the item leaves our warehouse. We just completed our first year in 2011. We only spent in our marketing 14,000 ringgit. And with that 14,000 ringgit, we still managed to turn over 700,000 ringgit. So we have a big track record behind us, and we also run a very risk-free business model because most of our items are on consignment. So we only pay for the items when they are sold. So now we're looking for an investment so that we can branch out to other markets in Southeast Asia, because we know that there's a lot more lucrative markets out there, and we want someone to partner with us to enter those markets.
How do you split your roles in the organization?
How do I split the roles?
Yep, both of you.
Okay, well, my role is more of finance, operations, and strategy, while Vivi is more on the operations.
The day-to-day operations, so I'm always there in the office, overseeing everything.
Yeah. So in our office, we actually have a production team, a buying team, and a marketing team.
Just a breakdown of your purchases. How many of them, or how much in terms of percentage, are overseas buyers versus local buyers?
Well, at the moment, we have about 80% local
Malaysian,
buyers.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that's because we haven't been marketing ourselves outside Malaysia.
So in terms of the 20%, are they from regional or are they?
So 80% of our customers are actually from Malaysia, while 20% of them come from outside Malaysia. Majority of them are from Singapore and Brunei, but we also get the occasional buyers from UK and Australia.
I think they're mostly Malaysians living abroad who want to support local designer goods.
How do you deliver your clothes?
We use post laju.
Do you think that will, in a way, reduce the customer experience?
So far, it's been good. We haven't had a parcel lost or any bad experience with post laju.
Yeah, we actually find post laju to be very effective.
Yeah.
And we, in terms of our packaging,
have you tried other delivery companies before?
We have not. We should do to look at lower postage costs.
Yeah.
Your salaries go up like quite a lot, projected over the next 3 years.
Yeah.
Those are for basically what, call center, customer support?
It's majority of it will be on production, because because what we term by production means whenever because we hold stocks, so whenever new stocks come into the warehouse, we have to go. It has to go through a process where it goes through photo shooting, uploading, measurements,
production on the website.
Yeah, the more stocks we have, the bigger the production team.
So it looks like triple and then double, whereas you are expecting sales to grow by 4 to 5 times a year.
Yeah, because the way we ran the business last year, to us it was more of a preparation year. So we've put in a lot of SOPs and reporting processes, where even if we were to scale now, with our team alone, we would be able to take on 5 times the volume.
So you want to tell me what's your gross trading profit?
Sorry?
Gross trading margin.
Our gross margin is 65%, but we have a few strategies in place to reduce that down to 60%.
As your volume goes up.
Yes.
Can you tell me a little bit more on your strategy in going regional? Because like you stated earlier, you wanted to expand to overseas market.
Yes.
But predominantly the buyers are Malaysian customers buying Malaysian designers' products, right?
Yeah.
So how would you create this awareness of these designers, local designers, in an overseas market?
Actually, our company was one of the only buyers invited to Indonesia Fashion Week this year. So we went there and we met with a lot of Indonesian designers, and a lot of them wanted to be on Fashion Valet. So we see that we want to become an Asian designer hub. So we want to carry not just Indonesian, Thai, Singaporean, depending on price and the design. So far the response has been very good with our Malaysian customers, and we also get increasing customers from other countries as well, because they hear their designers are on our website.
And how much is it that you are seeking?
1.5 million.
And what does the investor get for that?
10%.
10%. So you value yourself at 15 million.
Yeah.
That's very ambitious.
Actually, the projections we went for, we went off the back of another online shopping website which launched in UK. But we did have our own research and we scaled it down a bit. So our compound profit for the next 3 years will actually be in the region of 40 million. So your 1.5 million today is actually at a 60% discount.
Okay. But
if you're going to generate 40 million over the next 3 years, shouldn't you be using your cash flow to generate your future expansions?
Yeah, that's true. But the thing is that we don't have the bulk of the cash flow, because we find that in this business, we have to spend a lot first, and then we'll scale down our marketing budget as we go forward, and then let the momentum take over. So what we really need is the push now. We need a bulk of cash so that we can spend, and then later on we will reap the profits.
In terms of regional expansion, are there any
Yes,
exclusive?
but for now, because we're predominantly Malaysian customers, so we only sign from Malaysia.
All right. Thanks for coming.
Thank you.
Thank
Good
you
luck.
very much. Thanks.
So, Vivi, Fadza, how do you think the pitch went?
I think it went pretty well, yeah? Yeah.
I think the judges really saw the potential in the business, so I think they look quite interested.
Yeah.
Well, it's obviously you know your business really, really well and your market, but how long did you prepare for this one presentation?
Oh,
Fadza did most of the preparation, did he?
I mean, it's not really hard when you've been in the business for over a year, so you know the back and fronts of it. So whenever they asked the question, I was pretty confident whenever Vivi was answering, because being in the business, we've been asked a lot of these questions before.
Now, I mean, you guys are actually pretty established. I mean, you have made quite a mark after, even in the short span of 1 year. What made you actually want to try it out for Make the Pitch?
Well, of course, it wouldn't hurt to have more capital, and we are looking to have more expansion on a larger scale. So, yeah, we thought Make the Pitch would be the perfect platform.
Okay, let's just say things don't turn out your way. Of course, we would like that if it did. But what would you do next? What after this short session with industry leaders? What insights have you gotten, and what will you change or do differently?
Well, we definitely already have a plan whether or not we get an investment, so we'll still continue with that plan. And I think we took a lot of questions today, which will make us rethink some of our ideas.
All right. Thank you very much. All the best. See you, Fadza.